Okay, my name is Dr. Silaba. I want to present you about basic knowledge of agricultural drone. There's 5 components. First, intro to agricultural drones. 2, flight control system. 3, propulsion system. 4, wing system. And 5, spraying system. First one, multi-rotor agricultural drone concept. A multi-rotor agricultural drone is a flying platform which is used for crop and plant protection for agricultural use using its spreading system. It can spray pesticide, foliar, or solid fertilizer, pollination, seeds, and seed feedings, and is operated with a remote control. DJ agricultural products only. Start from 2015. The product first MG1 and last 30 and T10 in 2020. Structure of agricultural drones. The first, motor. This one is motor as a power system. EST is as driving motor. This one, propeller for lifting. This one is nozzle as the liquid, and press relief off when the nozzle cannot spray. Rotate it to release this one. We have to open or rotate the nozzle to release the air. Arm, this one is arm. As the body part, this one landing gear as body load, and this one is a radar to detect change in terrain and helping confirm altitude, supporting obstacles avoidance. There's camera has transmit video to the remote controller for operator to avoid obstacles and detect terrain features. Lit light to illuminate surrounding at night. Spray tanks, container for pesticide. Water pump produce pressure for pesticide automation. Rotation of the T30 and T10 motors. For T30, there's 6 propeller pairs, different motor. As CCV means counterclockwise, and CW is as clockwise. Remote control. This one for back button. This one has active button. This one for power button. This one confirm button. And this one flight mode switch. This one and button seated C3, and this 5D button. In front of remote control, this one spray button, and there's micro SD card slot, and this FPV from the camera and map, and this start dial and there is a port to HDMI port and USB port, and the antennas. Stick modes of multi-rotor drone. Two main stick modes. Mode 2. This is the normal remote mode of a multi-rotor drone. The accelerator is on the left side. Mode 1. The accelerator is on the right side. Now, confirm the remote mode before use, especially with the new drone. Flight control system. Constitution of flight control system. Order, input, and order execute. From this one, RC, ground station, to main control, and input from compass ME rather than GNS, and transfer to LC as order execute. Function of flight control is the avionics board. Flight control system consists the first main control, the CPU of the aircraft that execute movements. Global positioning system or GNSS provide latitude and longitude information via satellite. Compass provides directions. IMU provides the aircraft altitude. Radar receives changes in altitude and movement, stabilizing altitude and avoiding obstacle automatically. Radar. The main function of radar is the first altitude detection, detecting the change of terrain and helping stabilize the altitude to follow the landscape. Second, obstacles avoidance, detecting obstacles to avoid collision. Swarm jitter. Propulsion system. Constitution of propulsion system and working process. This power supply, the battery, charger to fill the lithium battery, power the electrode circuit or ST, rotating speed control, the master control receives to electronic circuit, transfer to brushless motor as a driving power output, and drive a propeller to lifting power source. Difference between CCW and CW. CCW propeller, this one, and CW propeller. CCW or counterclockwise rotates. Propellers have CCW mark on them. CW clockwise rotation. Propellers have CW mark on them. The direction of the propeller should be in accordance with that of the motors, or the drone can take off. Judging the propeller types of CW or CCW could observe the windward direction. Counterclockwise is CCW. Link system. Link communication system. Link communication system is the bridge between drone and operator. This includes the first ground unit and second aerial unit. Ground unit is sense controlling signal and task to drone. And aerial unit is drone sends its status back to ground unit. Unfolding the antenna. Antenna must be unfolded. If unfolded, the transmitting efficiency and distance will be affected. Antenna cannot point toward multi-rotor drone. The signal at the top and bottom of the antenna is the worst. The antenna should be parallel to the drone. When the remote control is in hand, the antenna points toward the sky. Like this is the gel between the cylinder and the drones. Position about the antennas. Spraying system. Relax. Pressure spray system. Spray tank to pesticide loading and filtering the pesticide by filter and pressure output by water pump and the measure the pesticide by nozzle and pressure release valve. Pressure spray system, it has strong penetrability and it is corrosion resistant. The nozzle is easy to clean and replace. It is better to choose a water-based pesticide. Metering equipment. Metering equipment is a flow meter to calculate actual chemicals to help plan the dose more accurately. Liquid level meter indicates the remaining pesticide and worms when it is almost empty. Is nozzle and press lid off. The chemical is enabled by the pressure of the water pump, atomized by the nozzle and then spray. The pressure relief valve help empty the air for the spraying system. Yes, this is symbolic for the nozzle series or type. The standard nozzle for the J Agras is XR 11001